Demand for exotic pets risks spider and scorpion extinctions. To assess how the exotic pet trade was affecting arachnids, the researchers systematically searched the web in multiple languages to identify which species were being most advertised for sale online. Overall, 1,264 arachnid species were identified as being bought and sold between 2000 and 2021, with the number of species generally increasing year on year. Of the species listed for sale online, 79% were not included in the trade databases of CITES or U.S. law enforcement agencies, suggesting that these animals are not being monitored. Attempts to monitor the trade are further complicated by the use of different names for the same arachnid as well as patterns of importing and re-exporting that make it difficult to identify the source of a particular individual. The researchers even reported finding mystery boxes of spiders available for sale where identification is impossible. To stay up to date with latest top stories, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the button above this video. This puts species collected from the wild at risk of being overexploited. Around two-thirds of individuals were found to be wild-caught, including over 77% of emperor scorpions, accounting for 700,000 animals being imported into the USA. As three-quarters of arachnids are endemic, meaning they are only found in a single country, collectors targeting species could pose a greater threat to their survival. The search also examined how the different arachnids were advertised online, with tarantulas often advertised as having particular color or geographic variants. The scientists suggest that some of these variants may be undescribed species, which are being put at risk of disappearing before being discovered by science. The researchers argue that many of the traits which put other animal groups at risk of extinction, such as small home ranges, apply to arachnids too, but without a similar level of protection. They recommend that new regulations are brought in to begin to understand the trade in arachnids and prevent species at risk of extinction from being targeted.